What's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game of Sultans for iPhone and Android. So let me just go ahead and open it up right here and you guys will see I'm super rich. So as you can see, I got nothing really, but with the mod you can actually get unlimited crystals. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It works on iOS and Android, so yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, there's no ban or anything, so I'm just going to enable unlimited crystals and let's see if they go up. So let's just see what happens. So no change yet, but yo, it's working. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this onto your device. Fully works, guys. Unlimited crystals in the game of Sultans. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is go to tweakmod.com and just go to the search bar, type in game of Sultans, and you should see it. So just go ahead and press install, and now we just have to do verification. So we just have to download like 2 apps, complete the instructions there 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to wait. So yeah, let's just check it out, guys. We're going to be all set. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. As you can see, all right, here we go. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. So you're going to be all set with this. So as you can see right here, it is loading. So basically it's going to say like you have to do missing files. You have to download some of these apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the official store. So just press on it. It'll bring you to the store. Now I'm on an Android, so if you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. But you can see Merge Gardens says reach level 9. Same with Travel Town. So just do 2 of these and you're all set. So that's how to get the modded version of Game of Sultans. So you can get unlimited crystals and it fully works, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like to play Game of Sultans, because this actually works. And yeah, I've tried to get another mod and this is the only one I can actually recommend. So yeah, the verification, if there's an app you really dislike, there's probably another one you can do because you only have to download 2 of them. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out. This is so awesome.